What if I told you that something smaller than your thumbnail could awaken the kind of strength you thought was gone forever? That within just 60 seconds, you could spark life back into your circulation, your confidence, and yes, even your performance, no matter your age, your medications, or your past disappointments? Sounds impossible, right? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share isn't a myth or miracle. It's biology, and it may very well change how you feel in your own body from this day forward. Before we begin, take a quick moment, subscribe, tap that notification bell, and type "I'm ready" in the comments below. Let me know where you're watching from. I create these health messages specifically for men over 60 who want their vitality back naturally. Here's the truth most men never hear. Your body hasn't forgotten how to feel strong. It's not broken. It's simply been neglected. Years of stress, medication, poor sleep, and processed foods have dulled your body's natural signals, but your cells still remember what to do when given the right tools. And the most powerful one? It's not a pill, not a supplement, not a high-tech gadget. It's a spice that's been hiding in your kitchen drawer for years, one your ancestors used for vitality, stamina, and connection long before modern medicine ever existed. I'm talking about clove and its secret compound called eugenol. This is what gives clove its signature scent and its astonishing ability to reopen the body's natural pathways of strength and circulation in as little as 60 seconds. Hi, I'm Dr. Narita, and for the past 12 years, I've helped men over 60 rebuild what time and stress tried to take away: energy, confidence, and vitality without expensive prescriptions or dangerous gimmicks. Because here's the truth, most men don't lose their strength, they just stop activating it. So, in the next few minutes, I'll show you why this tiny spice works, how to use it step by step, and what changes you'll notice in your first 7, 14, and 30 days. You'll understand the biology behind it, the emotions it restores, and the simple daily habit that can make all the difference. 1. The secret compound that makes it work: eugenol. Let's start with what makes this tiny spice so powerful. When you chew a whole clove, not powdered, but the actual dried bud, it releases eugenol, a natural oil that acts as a vasodilator. That means it helps your blood vessels relax and open, especially those tiny, stubborn ones that feed your most sensitive areas. Now, as we age past 50 or 60, those vessels start to stiffen. They lose flexibility. Blood can't flow as it used to, and when circulation slows, so does everything else: energy, stamina, and even intimacy. Eugenol is like a gentle massage for your arteries. It opens them naturally, not forcefully like pills do. It lets your body remember what effortless circulation feels like again. And the best part? Eugenol also boosts nitric oxide, the same molecule those famous blue pills try to mimic, but here your body produces it naturally, safely, and sustainably. Many of my patients describe it the same way. "Doc, I felt a warmth come back I hadn't felt in years." That's your circulation reawakening, but that's only the beginning, because even perfect blood flow won't help if stress keeps shutting your system down from the inside. 2. Why erections get weaker after 60 and how clove fights back. Let me be honest with you, this isn't your fault. If you felt weaker erections, lower drive, or fading motivation, it's not about manhood, it's about biology. As we age, blood vessels narrow, testosterone dips, and stress hormones spike. Years of sitting, poor diets, and sleepless nights quietly damage your inner circulation. But what most doctors never say is these changes are reversible. Chewing clove daily starts to restore flexibility in your arteries. It's like cleaning a rusted pipe and watching water finally flow through again. Within weeks, many men begin noticing something they hadn't seen in years: spontaneous morning erections, not forced, not chemical, just natural. That's your body remembering. But now, let's tackle the invisible enemy behind most men's decline, the one thing that blocks testosterone, drains your energy, and even kills your desire. 3. The hidden enemy: stress and how clove neutralizes it. I've seen it time and again. Men who eat right, exercise, take their vitamins, yet still feel drained and disconnected. When I ask, "How's your stress?" they sigh, and I can see it in their eyes. Stress is silent, but it's deadly to your hormones. It floods your system with cortisol, which crushes testosterone production. The higher your cortisol, the lower your drive, physically and emotionally. Here's where clove becomes more than a spice. It contains a compound called beta-caryophyllene, which interacts with receptors in your brain that calm your nervous system. As cortisol levels drop, testosterone naturally begins to climb again. No injections, no side effects, just balance restored. That's why I tell my patients, clove isn't just circulation, it's calmness in a chew. 4. The 60-second method step by step. Now let's get practical. Here's how to do the clove method properly. Take 2 or 3 whole cloves, not powdered. Place them between your molars, the strong back teeth. Bite gently until they crack open and release their oil. Don't rush. Let the flavor coat your mouth for 30 seconds. Hold it in your mouth. Breathe deeply through your nose and let your saliva mix with the oil. Then chew slowly for another 30 seconds. That's your 60-second window. You can swallow the remnants or spit them out. Both work fine. What matters is the contact between the clove oil and your mouth. That's how the eugenol gets absorbed directly into your bloodstream through the mucosa membranes, fast and effective. Many men say they feel clearer, warmer, and more grounded within minutes. It's subtle but real. 5. When to use it for best results. Timing matters. The evening is ideal, about an hour before bed. Why? Because that's when your nervous system winds down and your body is preparing to produce testosterone during deep sleep. Chewing cloves at night helps you relax, sleep deeper, and recover naturally. But some of my patients also love using it in the morning on an empty stomach to boost circulation and energy for the day ahead. Others use it 30 to 45 minutes before intimacy to help calm nerves and heighten connection. The key is consistency. You're retraining your body. Each day builds on the last. 6. Chewing cloves, better sleep, more testosterone. If there's one thing I tell every man over 60, it's this: your recovery lives in your sleep. Testosterone is made while you're resting, especially during deep REM sleep, but most men these days aren't sleeping deeply at all, waking up at 2 a.m., tossing, turning, worrying. Clove helps fix that. The compounds eugenol and beta-caryophyllene both calm the brain's sleep centers and help your body slip into deeper rest. My patients tell me, "Doc, I'm dreaming again." And when you wake up rested with steady energy and natural morning vitality, that's your hormones healing themselves again. 7. Gum health and erections, the hidden connection. Here's something surprising. Your mouth health affects your manhood. If you have bleeding gums, bad breath, or gum disease, bacteria can slip into your bloodstream, causing inflammation that clogs your blood vessels. That same inflammation can block the very flow needed for erections. Studies show men with gum disease are up to 70% more likely to experience ED. But when you chew cloves, the antibacterial oils kill that bacteria at the source. It's like detoxing your mouth and cleaning your bloodstream at the same time. So when your gums heal, your circulation improves, and everything downstream works better too. 8. What to expect in 7, 14, and 30 days. Day 7, you'll feel small shifts, a little more energy, warmth, and mental clarity. Sleep starts improving. Day 14, you might wake up feeling more alert, with stronger, more consistent circulation. Some men even notice spontaneous morning erections returning. Day 30, you feel grounded again, more confident. Your body responds when your mind does. Your partner notices. You carry yourself differently, not because of a pill, but because your biology is finally working with you again. That's what real vitality feels like. Here's how to make this last. Chew 2 to 3 cloves every night before bed. Walk 15 to 20 minutes daily to keep blood flowing. Stay hydrated. Blood moves best in a hydrated body. Limit processed sugar as it stiffens blood vessels. Sleep at least 7 hours nightly. This is your foundation for lifelong vitality. Listen, aging isn't the end of strength. It's a new beginning if you give your body what it's asking for. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s come back to life. Not just physically, but emotionally. They smile more, they move differently, they feel proud again, all because they gave their body a simple chance to heal. So tonight before bed, take a moment for yourself. Chew those cloves slowly, breathe deeply, and let your strength return one heartbeat at a time. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with a man who needs hope today. Because remember, your best years don't end at 60, they begin when you decide to.